is Annie do a little girl. So Annie let out Yankee secret. You understand me? And then Annie come out now and let out her daughter secret. No, me tell you say God have a so in other news, what are we? Come here people. Yeah, I don't like the mix up now though. When you them say, what are we? Things are raised up. Gotcha. I got you now. What are we? Things are go sky high. So come on. So cute boss I go say, and you don't make Shebada come from the app and bully you. And she not believe she has Zozy in the video. So much for the gift of discernment. So much for the gift of discernment. So, when I stated yesterday, everything that I stated, it might not sit well with someone when I say yesterday, and how I say it. But explain this to me. Where did I go wrong? Where did I go wrong? Come here. Exactly tired, God bless. Exactly tired, God bless. And that is why Cute Boss work overtime to prove to the internet, say, me a false prophet. Me never come up and say, I need a trader, pick them, shall trade them, shall sell them. Eh? Oh, I may have said this long ago. Not a long time me I talk about this. It's easy to appeal to the female side. It's easy to appeal to the female gender. Worse when you talk the truth, them come out and look pretty. And at this, I tell you, boss, I say I never say nothing with them no walking. Every time I talk, them prove my words correct. Didn't I say this to you guys? I said, why Jagger I take said pan Anna so? You know, said this is molo. And then I come out and say, Jagger a molo are. And you know, just say, Jagger a molo. Jagger used to molo Anna. You see? I'm telling you something. No, honeybee is true. A long time I say it, honeybee. Long time. Long time I say it. So everything when I say always prove itself. When you get tear down and bring down in that, talk to people. You know, so nobody can bring it down. It's you alone can bring down you. So it's when a man says certain things, you say if you follow up the man, you're worse than the man. And at that Cute Boss I look for my follow up every single minute. Because all I know, you come out with an Anthony, take the Anthony. We don't want you in another argument more than we want to see proof of Anthony. And the argument done, we don't have nothing bad to say about it. If there's an Anthony, just like when I speak, I say, Zozy ain't going back to school in September. See it, John? Zozy ain't going back to school in September. See it here. I never need to come with no receipts. You understand me? But me notice somehow we have to present receipts. Zozy ain't going back to school in September. See it here. See it here. Did I say I have receipts that Zozy now go back to school? I didn't say that. I said watch it. I said look at it. That's the difference between me and many of them on the app. Them not sure with them I say. I never needed any receipt, lady man. But Zozy in the video I take the cocky and I suck the wood better than Annie do. Annie, you taught them well. You taught them well. Zozy I suck the wood and I take the wood. I take the wood better. Zozy know for speak pan cocky, look up in the camera and lock her jawbone like she a bun chalice. Now Cute Boss I go get up and say a black pussy dead this morning. You know what she has said, try say now. Me a send blow off her. Mama, she have another pussy for dead. I tell you say, I would never want my life back a careless people, so. Yeah. Yeah. No, Annie, I go say, why Jagger? Annie, me I tell you the truth. Police for lock you up. Sorry, he's a madam. He's a madame. Police for lock you up. Police will lock you up. You see, you're in a prostitution home, Annie. Police must lock up you, Annie, so that your picnic them can grow better without you. And every mother and mother. So my mama, I'm gonna talk this over and over. So my yes, she have a bottle. And when you talk these ways, if it had been a father on the app, I'd do them something here. You know? TikTok liar there. Kakafat. My name is sis there. Backside. TikTok liar opens. Yeah? If it had been a man TikTok liar on the app, I'd behave like Annie. The whole internet would have tear him down like Jakes. The whole internet. TikTok like tear down the man like James. Simple bliss, my baby. Big up yourself. Over and over. I keep telling you guys about Annie. I don't make Annie use crocodile tears like Rosalie. 3 big dirty kiss woman the app. Rosalie, Cute Bass, and Annie. 3 big dirty kiss woman. And them call themselves Mother Panda app here. And Uno encourage them nasty behavior. Uno walk and encourage them nasty behavior. All them do a play upon the emotions. You never know. Live for the media. Live for the media. She a young girl. She a young girl. And number one, she never make me know say she no love woman. She love woman and she give it for her own them to go live for her nasty life. All you know say, I pick them under supervision. But when you can use your kids them to capitalize. When Cute Bass ready, she use her son Batom. When Rosalie ready, she use her kids, especially Shanta. And you use the whole affair picking them. That's a difference. You see the different lives where the difference lies where? In she defense, she give a fair own them to live a dirty life. You know? She gave away hers. And sometimes when you know the type of person that you are, you don't make kids around you. You don't make kids come around you. Talk the truth. But you have them big dirty girls here. We say them a mother every time them sit up on the app. All them do. Them just a deflect. Them have the spirit of confusion. 1 minute them say this, the next minute and this them mean, the next minute that, the next minute that, the next minute that. And una have all the time in the world for run up and down with them. Exactly, Nicolai. Now you tell me the truth now. Everybody who see the video, they say Zoe take the hood at least a whole little bit tighter than King own because Zoe make sound. She might not make whole heap, but she yeah, she take the body. Then Annie who teach Zoe for suck hood. Because Zoe do a better job than you in the anime. I wonder if I chew you have no kind of teeth. Me I wonder if I chew you have no kind of teeth. But you know, say Annie is a smart piece of girl. I'm going to tell you where Annie do. Annie act like she's surprised for the video being released. Annie make sure came yesterday and start one bag of something about Zoe going back to school. Do not bully Zoe. Because Annie knew that the video was going to be released. Annie can't tell me nothing. Annie teeth them too long, a saber tooth. These are the tricks we don't have to identify. Annie go like say the world a come down pan her now. Annie knew that the video was coming out. Me I tell you that. Me I tell you that. If you don't mind shop I go to Annie see him and let it out. Just to come play victim on the app. You never know. You don't never know that. And you see the For You page I go leave her, so she have to lick big. She have to lick big. Remember Rosalie let out things to and play victim behind the scenes. Remember when them let out them handiwork, them play a victim with it. I tell you this, you know. They might expect them pick me in whatever and whichever way they can. In order to make a thing or to stay relevant. But you don't have to believe me. Because most of you son go for the pick them too. Cubas are going to say, don't make Shebada come bully you. This is not a bully. This is the truth. And until you hear the truth, Cubas always call it bully. And you have you say you have the gift of discernment. So you must have discern for the devil. Yeah? The most of I did tell people say, one day you go come and tell them, say, me are over you. And so said, so done. You say, you get up this morning and your post dead, your black post dead. Yeah? But you have another post to go home. Mister, you have another post to go home. Yeah, man. Maybe just watch on the deteriorate. Watch. The gift of confusion. Three posts. Three funeral. Anthony, the black post, and the one where you have in a panty. You never know. This is what they live for, the media. Me never bring down Shebada yet. This is not a bring down. This is not a bring down. But yet still you see the depend. And when I bring down Shebada, bring down me, but always bring down people with the truth and see it here. I talk about Annie and Zoe. I say, Annie, you go, you pick them like you're a whore. You're selling your kids. And oh yes, that's what Anya do. And Jaga even come and confirm our son. Remember me in the whole conversation, you know? Of course, Annie planet is Annie do a little girl so. The level of wickedness is Annie do a little girl so. Annie let out Yankee secret. You understand me? And then Annie come out now and let out her daughter secret. No, me tell you say, God have a funny way of letting us play in our hands. And we don't want to believe, you know. We don't want to believe. And so the devil only use you, abuse you, refuse you, and set you aside. Yeah. Yes. And the things like this, them woman you jump up on the back. When Cubas make a statement, you know, Cubas go underneath King. Comment on that though. I just see it. Hey. Then you never believe, so still don't believe. All when you see it, do not believe. Do not believe. Yeah. All when you see it, don't believe. I never tell a lie. And this is the level of carelessness when you uphold. When you careless, and now get no better when you careless. When you keep Jagawa in the sea, or more in the ocean, or more in the river, or the lake, or the pond, or the waterfalls, or the water fountain. We don't care where Jagawa in. It is not about Jaga. It's about Zoe. Because I come up here and speak the truth about Zoe, the whole of the cemetery don't people pick me. All I want to say, I tear down people picking this. And when you talk about these little girls, not even these little girls, these mothers who are good and pick me. When you talk about Sharon Bless, when you talk about them parents here where exploit them pick me, you think I lie. When you talk about people where I bring them pick the secrets to the forefront, it's damaging. Is the mother, is Annie let out Zoe's secret? Me not ask you no, I tell you no. Is Annie do that because Annie wants some money off of the app? Then them will do anything, them go to any measures. I'm telling you this every single day, you know. It's not like me not telling you, you know. And that these people hate when me talk the truth. Because me not, one thing with me, I watch your profile and I know say it's definitely you do this. And you don't have to believe me, I say wait, time I go tell. Time I go tell. And oh yes. Old people always say time longer than rope, but me don't know who going to the middle go cut it. See, they ain't doing a good job. Look at the 15-year-old little girl. Look at the... Yeah, man, look at the 15-year-old little girl where walk and take and a suck out. Just like her mother, and the only reason for her doing that, it's because her mother grew her. And when me tell you, say, enough of them big girls where you see sit down on the app, them a groom them son and them a groom them daughters. Why you think some of them son have a turn batty, man? Why? Them not give them pick me a choice and a chance to choose. Them a groom them in such a light. Mother can't be a whore around them cocky and a grow boy pick me. You never know. You just a change man so the little boy go want to know wait in his body so him have to go beg somebody. Pleasure me. Exactly. Any chance Annie get for expose people, she go do it down to her kids, them she go do. No one is safe around. Enough parents pick it don't safe around them. A lot of parents kids do, they are not safe around them. Yeah, child. Check promo. Check promo to blow out. Eh? Check promo go on. A children porn where I watch. You never know. Who teach a little girl for do them something there? Eh? The other day you go lock up Aki Walk. Claim to say you lock up Aki Walk because he's a big man. Then what that Zozy take? What that Zozy take? Let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, you have some of them girls sit down on the app, you know, and them come and play victim, you know. Look how Annie did one and everybody talk about Aki Walk a big man, Aki Walk a this, and I sit down on my life every day and I tell you, say sometimes parents do know. Parents do know and they allow you. Sometimes they pick them up for goat, they go look the money carrying for mommy cook. So she not shame, Annie not shame, Annie can't shame, Annie have no shame. None of Annie pick them have no control, and the little girl alone. All of the kids them go themselves with their mother there. This is wickedness. This is wickedness, and then Annie sit down on the live now across Jagger. If Jagger even say it's Zoe, Annie, you have the video. And you first came out yesterday and talk says Zoe, I go back to school and no want nobody damage her. You no want nobody mock her. Because you knew the video, you never let out the video. You knew the video was coming out. Annie is a wicked drunk crow. Me say Annie, Cute Bass and Rosalie, them are the worst set of dirty mama me ever come across. Them are the worst set of germs me ever come across. Them are the worst set of drunk crow me ever come across. You don't believe me, them are dead meat, them are dog tribe. You never know that. And the worst set of dirty drunk crow them. Always walk and play victim. CDA a big joker. CDA a big joker. CDA look like them a buyout. CDA is a big joker. More know why the government ever have CDA in Jamaica. Me just wonder why the government ever formed that group. Because we have so much children that get abused by parents, strangers, family members, everybody. Everybody. And CDA ain't doing nothing about it. And you would know so the man come check Zoe. And you come out of the room and make Zoe and the man in there. And you come out of the room and make Zoe and the man in there. People, me tell you, say, I'm going to alone remember so no born in a ghetto. But I've seen it all. I've seen it all. You don't believe me? And you should have never come on the internet yesterday, come and talk and cry and go on the most when I beg. Because she knows that the internet are going to come down on Zoe and she. Eh? Yeah man, them for go away. Of course, remember say me first talk all of this, you know. Before now say Anna talk it, Jagger talk it, all of this talk it. Remember, and me first talk all of this. And me first come up and say Annie Seller picnic them. It's me first come up and say all of this. Annie I go say Jagger, Momo, Mol, Anna. Me did say it. When Anna run up and down from her, because remember say Annie brother did do her the same thing too. And Annie perpetuate a generation curse. Remember, remember how Annie start up on the app? Annie come on the app and the ball say her brother molest her. I saw Annie start on the app. You never know. When Anna a ball for help, I said, though is no help, he's not just beating her, he's abusing her vagina. Anna come talk it and Annie come and repeat it. Remember me talk all of this, say Annie I sell her kids them to Anna. Annie I sell her kids them to Anna. And this you call evidence, this is evidence to show. This is evidence for real. See the evidence them here. Where cute boss come with an evidence. A mix up.